If you've been editing in CapCut and you're ready to save your final project, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to export your CapCut video the right way. I'll show you how to choose your file name, pick a destination folder, adjust your export settings, and finish the process so your video is ready to upload, share, or post anywhere you want. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, once your edit is complete, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the blue Export button. This is the main button CapCut uses to send your project into a finished video file. When you click it, CapCut will open the Export menu, where you can set up the final details before saving your video. Now you'll want to name your file. Choosing a clear name is a smart idea because it helps you find the video later on your computer. Especially if you export a lot of different projects, you can type in the name of your project, the topic of the video, or anything that makes sense for your workflow. Next, choose the destination folder on your computer. This is the location where CapCut will save the exported video once it's finished. If you want to keep everything organized, create a folder for your CapCut exports or select a specific project folder so you always know where to find your files. After that, take a moment to adjust your export settings. This part is important because it affects the quality and file type of your finished video. For most standard uploads, setting the resolution to 1080p is a great choice because it gives you a clear high-quality result without making the file too large. You should also make sure the format is set to MP4, since MP4 is one of the most widely supported video formats and works well for YouTube, social media, and most devices. Once your settings are ready, click Export again to begin rendering your video. CapCut will now process your project and create the final file based on the settings you selected. Depending on the length of your video and the speed of your computer, this may take a little while, so just let it finish exporting. When the export is complete, you can open the destination folder you selected and check your new video file. From there, you're ready to upload it, send it to someone, or post it online. That's really all there is to it. So to quickly recap, export your CapCut video by clicking the blue Export button, naming the file, choosing where to save it, setting the resolution to 1080p, and the format to MP4, and then clicking Export one more time to finish. It's a simple process once you've done it a couple of times, and now you know exactly how to do it. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.